Warning to Boise State, if there's one team that could threaten the Broncos for the Mountain West dominance this year in 2013, it could very likely be these guys over my shoulder. Pete Futak is our managing editor, and no Robbie Rouse at running back, but you think the offense could actually be better, or just as good at least.
Derek Carr. I mean, the key to this team is going to be the passing game. It's going to take a village to replace Rouse. He was only 5'5", but he was a fantastic workhorse. They've got enough backs returning that they can just keep handing the ball to various people and hope they can get some production to replace Robbie Rouse. The key is going to have to be, though, Derek Carr's got to be Derek Carr. Well, he's not his brother David. He doesn't have that same kind of howitzer, but he's an NFL talent. He's going to throw for over 4,000 yards, and he is going to bomb away with a fantastic receiving core, working behind a strong line, and the running game is going to take care of itself.
A major reason for the Bulldogs' success last year, their second-ranked defense in the conference. You worry, though, a little bit about how they stack up against them.
A little bit. You know, they lose some key parts. They lose some key linebackers. Philip Thomas was arguably the best defensive back in college football last season. But again, all they have to do is hold serve. This offense is going to get the job done. Forget about the bowl game, that clunker against SMU. You know, throw that out. They are going to bomb away on everyone. As long as the defense can hold opposing offenses to under 30 points or so, they should be just fine.
All right, so prediction time now, Pete. In Fresno State, they've got a specific target on their date, on their schedule, and that's September the 20th, a Friday home game against Boise State. How does that play out?
And that's really it. I mean, you look at this schedule, that's kind of, I mean, if they can get by Colorado, if they can get by Boise State, and those are winnable games for a team of this caliber, they can run the table. There's no game on this slate where you can say, okay, look, Fresno State's going to lose this one. Really, if they are BCS-worthy good, they should beat San Jose State at San Jose State. They should beat Boise State at home. They've got the talent there in place. All that hype is going to be up for that Boise State game. If they get by that, I think they go 12-0. I don't think they play for the national championship because the schedule is just going to be too light and there's not going to be that signature win, but I do think they're going to go to the BCS.
12-0.
It's what Pat Hill was pushing for, and now I think it's going to come
big,
through.
Big, bold statement, and you heard it right here on Campus
Finally
Insiders. All right, Pete, thanks very much. For more previews on all 12 Mountain West football teams and an entire conference outlook, check out the other videos only on CampusInsiders.com.